Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French word, as well as how to say more useful French words, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This word in French means country, or it can also be used just to designate an area, a region, but generally speaking, it literally translates as country. How do you say it? Well, in France it is said as pays. The S at the end is silent, so it's not pays, but rather pays, pays. Singular and plural forms are the same since there's always an S, so it's invariable, never changes. Pays is how you say it. Un pays, one country. Deux pays, two countries. Same pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words from French and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.